Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be talking about some inexpensive fragrances from no other than Dossier. This video is way overdue. Way overdue. Breathe for the lights. Breathe for the love when I breathe for the lights. Breathe for the love when I breathe for the lights. Breathe for the love when I breathe for the lights. Make them know success don't come overnight. So I have, how many is here? 2, 4, 6, 9. I have 9 fragrances from Dossier that they gifted to me a while ago. Okay, a while ago. This video is way overdue. Okay, so this is the first one, and this is the box that they come in. Just very simple, very sleek. Some of them have a tester in there, but I think they're doing away with that. This one didn't come with a tester, so I'm just gonna put the boxes to the side. This one is called Oriental Vetiver, and this is supposed to be, well, not supposed to be, this is inspired by Byredo Ball of Freak. And in this one, the top notes are bergamot, lemon, bucci. The middle note is orange blossom, marigold, violet. And the base note is vetiver, amber, and cedarwood. I definitely smell the cedarwood. The cedarwood is very strong in this one. I don't know how I feel about this one. This is giving me more musk. And I don't really think I am a musk girl. I don't know how to describe that one. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna say I'm not a musk girl. I don't like when something is too musky. I like when musk is mixed with like a vanilla or a lavender, or this one just but now that it's drying down, I'm starting to like it better. Definitely a nighttime fragrance, but I don't know how to describe that one. I'm gonna let this one dry down some more and see if I can go back to it. The next one I have is Oriental Musk, and this, all the bottles look the same. It's a sleek bottle. It's a clear, it's a white bottle, and it has the color of the fragrance. This one is clear, and this one more have like a yellow color to it. And just sleek, simple. It has a magnetic top to it. I like that. Really like the bottles. Okay, so this one is Floral Musk, and the top note in this one is peach, bergamot, lychee. And then you have jasmine. The middle notes is jasmine and rose, and then the base note is musk, vanilla, and patchouli. So if you know me and my fragrance, you know my ingredients that I like. I love vanilla, love patchouli, love lychee, and I like rose. So I'm more than likely gonna like this one. And I have the original perfume. This is inspired by Lancome Idol, and I have that perfume, and it smells so good. This is a fruity, girly fragrance. You smell the patchouli, you smell the vanilla. I don't smell the musk. You smell the jasmine, you smell the lychee, you smell the pear. This is it's fresh, but it's fruity at the same time. Really sweet. If you're a sweet girl, you'd love this one. Ooh, I love this. Well, why would I not love it? I have the original. This is such a pretty fragrance. I might wear this one. I might wear that one. Next we have Musky Oakmoss, and this is inspired by Aventus for her. If you watch my other Dossier video, then you know I absolutely love this. Every time I wear this, I get the most compliment. I actually wore this one last night. Well, my old bottle that I have I wore this last night and I got so many compliments. I went out to eat, then we went out to the bar, then we went somewhere else after, and I only applied this when I was leaving my house at 2 in the afternoon, and I got back home maybe 1 a.m., 2 a.m. and everywhere I went, I got the most compliment on this one. The top notes in this is apple, pineapple, bergamot. The middle note is rose, birch leaf, patchouli. The base note is musk, oakmoss, and amber. This right here, I don't know what the original Creed smelled like, but this one right here is smells so good. But this one, no, I think I mixed it up. This is not the one I wore yesterday. This one is just Creed Aventus. No, this is not the one, but this do smell good though. This is just Aventus. And the one I had yesterday was Aventus for her. Either way, this still smells good. Feels like a grown and sexy type of smell. Not too sweet. This one is not really that sweet. I do smell a little bit of the musk. I can do a little bit of musk, not too much. I smell the pineapple in this one. It's kind of cool. I really like this one as well. But so far, my favorite is the floral musk. It's in for the win. It's in for the win. Next, we have Floral Jasmine, and this is what I was talking about. So for this one, it has the little sample perfume that comes in there. So if you purchase the fragrance and they send you a sampler, so you don't have to open the bottle and waste the perfume, you can just use the little sample size to spray to see if you like it or not. And then if you don't like it, you just send it back. You didn't touch the full size bottle, you just send it back. So I think that's pretty dope. I'm gonna spray the full size bottle because I'm gonna keep mine, and I like to put the sample sizes in my purse if I'm wearing that one that day. So this one is Floral Jasmine, and this is inspired by Tom Ford Jasmine Rouge. The top notes are neroli, cardamom, bergamot, and pepper. The middle note is jasmine, sambac, ylang-ylang, broom flower, and the base note is labdanum, clary sage, and vanilla. So love vanilla. I love ylang-ylang. I love those two. So let's see what she smells like. Why am I shaking it? This smells like a rich old lady. This kind of remind me of Coco Chanel. I'd wear this one to dinner at a night out, but it do smell like a rich old lady. So if you don't want that smell, I don't know what to tell you. It's kind of powdery too. Not my favorite. This one would probably have to grow. I could see this one growing on me. And the Oriental Vetiver, the first one I smelled, the dry down is really pretty. The dry down is really, really pretty. So the one that's inspired by Byredo, I actually like it now that the dry down, now that it did dry down. What am I saying? I like that one. I'm gonna let this one dry down a little bit more. The Floral Jasmine, the one that's inspired by Tom Ford, the one that says smell like a rich old lady. I'm gonna let it dry down a little bit more to see how I really feel about it. Not really sure about that one, because sometimes you have to let it dry down. You have to let it soak in the, seep in your skin. See if it matches with your body chemistry and whatnot. This one is Woody Tobacco, and this one is inspired by Maison Margiela Replica Jazz Club. I have that one, so let's see if it smells like Jazz Club. And the top notes for this one is lemon, pink pepper, neroli. The middle note is rum, dried fruits, blonde wood. And the base note is styrax, tobacco leaves, and vanilla. And I definitely smell the tobacco leaf. This is really strong, really musky. You definitely smell the tobacco in here. Tobacco leaf, the woods. This is more of a woodsy type of fragrance. So if you like that woodsy type stuff, you'll like this one. I don't think it's spot on for a Jazz Club, but I think it's pretty close. I have Jazz Club over there, but I think it's pretty close. Woody tobacco. The next one I have is Aquatic Coconut, and this one is also inspired by Maison Margiela, but this one is Beach Walk. I have Beach Walk as well. Spray her. Uh-oh. Spray was kind of... This one is spot on. So the top notes is bergamot, pink pepper, lemon, aquatic accord. The middle note is ylang ylang, heliotrope flower, coconut, and the base note is musk, cedar wood, benzoin, and tonka bean. This has everything that I like. So I love ylang ylang. I can't say that word. I love tonka bean. I love coconut. So it smells so good, so fresh. This is a fresh, clean scent. It says, yeah, like you're walking on the beach, you get a whiff of, you know, the wind, and you smell so clean. Imagine you take a shower, like you live on the beach, you take a shower, you go for a little stroll. It's giving me that vibe. Super fresh, clean. It kind of gives me a little bit of a light powdery scent to it too. Very faint. This is my second favorite so far, and I have the original of that one, so that's good. That's really, really, really spot on. The next one I have is Musky Green Tea, and this one came with a sample. Not all of them comes with a sample. So this one, Musky Green Tea, is inspired by Creed, Silver Mountain. This definitely smells unisex. This reminds me of, I don't know. I feel like I've smelled this before, and I don't have this one. But this smells really good. I think this would smell good on a man or a woman. The top note is green tea, bergamot, mandarin. The middle note is petitgrain, neroli, blackcurrant. The base note is musk, sandalwood, and orris. I feel like I smell the blackcurrant. This one smells really good. This could be a sexy date night fragrance for the low. I like this. I feel like I'm gonna like the dry down even better. Let's see. Let that dry down some more. Next we have spicy vanilla, and spicy vanilla comes with the sample. And spicy, ooh, that one is strong. That one is really strong. This is inspired by, spicy vanilla is inspired by Tom Ford Noir. This is another sexy date night fragrance. I really like this one. The top notes in this one is nutmeg. I think I smell that. I do. The top notes are nutmeg, black pepper, and lemongrass. The middle note is rose, patchouli, orris. The base note is vanilla, amber, and openox. Oh, this smells so good. I smell the vanilla. I smell the patchouli. I smell the rose, and I definitely smell the nutmeg. Oh, this is a sexy date night fragrance. And I want to say it could be unisex. It could be unisex, but no, I like it better as a more feminine fragrance. Oh, this smells so good. Spicy vanilla. I'm with it. And the last one I have here is Amber Saffron. And this is inspired by the famous Baccarat Rouge 540. And I've used this one before. I've gotten this one from Dossier before. They gifted me this one before, and when I tell you, a compliment grabber, I had to get a second bottle. I finished that bottle. I was just using it. I loved it, and everybody loves it too. This smells amazing. The top note is saffron, orange blossom. The middle note is jasmine, plum, cedarwood. The base note is oak moss, fair balsam, and amber. This is another sexy date night, date day, brunch with the girls, hanging out by yourself, traveling in the airport. This is just that girl. Whatever you want it to be, that's what it is. This smells so good. It's not like I don't know what this smells like because I've had it before, but just smelling it again is just, oh my god. It smells so good. I'm smelling a doll again. It smells really nice. Spicy vanilla. Let me see the dry down. It's still a little wet, but still like that one. The one that I was unsure about that I said I would get back to that smelled like a rich old lady was Floral Jasmine. And yeah, it just smelled like a rich old lady. This one I would definitely have to mix it with something a little bit more sweet, because I'm kind of on the fence. I don't know how I feel about it. This one I would definitely have to mix with something. It's with something more sweet. It's not like I don't like it, but I don't love it. You know what I'm saying? And Oriental Vetiver. I actually like that one. I like the dry down a lot more. So that's everything that Dossier gifted me. I'll have the link in the description bar below. They're super affordable. They always have sales, some type of sales or deals going on. So make sure you check them out. Thank you, Dossier, so much for gifting me these items. And if you guys have tried any, let me know which one you've tried. Or if you want to try any, let me know which one you want to try in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much.